Hello students, today I am going to discuss the classification of polymer on the basis of structure. This is very important. So classification on the basis of structure, this is two types, homopolymer and copolymer. What is a homopolymer? If two same monomers are joined together is known as a homopolymer. Homo means same, poly means many, mer means parts, same many parts. Suppose I am taking the example of ethylene, CH2 double bond CH2. If this is n number of monomers are joined together, the formation of polythene will take place. What is the meaning of this? This means chain is going from this side and chain is also going from this side until or unless we don't want to break the chain. So n number of monomers. Here the molecule is monomer is ethylene, but here it form the polyethylene. Formation of polyethylene will take place. So this is the homopolymerization. It is this process, we can say this process is the homopolymerization. What is the copolymer? If two different monomers are joined together. Suppose different monomers are joined together. One is the hexamethylene diamine. See, hexamethylene, 6 carbons, 6 methylenes, and diamine, 1 NH2 here and other NH2 this side. This is known as a hexamethylene diamine plus adipic acid. What is the structure of adipic acid? CH2 ka whole 4, COOH and COOH. So removal of water molecule will take place, 1H from this side and OH. So the formation of NH, this side also water molecule will eliminated and this side from also water molecule eliminated with other monomers of the hexamethylene diamine and other monomers of the adipic acid. So the formation of CH2 whole 6, NH and CO, CH2 ka whole 4 and CO. So this is the formation of very important nylon 6,6. What is a nylon 6,6? Nylon 6 it is very useful in the fabric, in the textile industry, in the carpet industry. So see, what is a 6,6? This is the 6 number of carbon atom. So 6 writing here. And what is this? What about this 6? 4 carbon here, 4, 5 and 6. 6 carbons are here. So this is known as a nylon 6,6. Very important monomer, very important. And always question is asked, what is the monomers of the nylon 6,6? So you have to remember hexamethylene diamine and its name is adipic acid. This is adipic acid. Always remember what is the adipic acid. You have to remember CH2 ka whole 4 methylene groups are attached and from this side one acid, other this side, this is the carboxylic group. So this is the homopolymer. If it means two same monomers are joined together. Here is the copolymer. It means two different monomers are joined together. See, again it is classified into three parts. Homopolymers divided into three parts. One is the linear, other is the branched and other one is the cross linked. So what is the linear? This is the homopolymer. If same monomers are joined together, see example you can write like this. If same monomers are joined together. What is the branched? If two linear chain and attached with these are two linear chains are joined together and this is also connected. This is the branched monomer. So what about the cross linked? You can write also like this also. This is the linear, this is the branching. And what about cross link? If two branch structures, see these are two branch structures. One branch is this, another branch is this. This is one branch, this is second branch and it is connected with each other. So this is the cross linked. Up, what is the property? If material is linear, it means it is very soft material like your eraser. it is very soft material. If arrangement is linear, always remember it is very, very soft material. But if it is branched, it means it is a material becomes little bit stiff. It means it becomes hard. But if the material is cross-linked, it means material becomes very, very hard, very much hard. I already discussed in the class also. So linear means soft, branched means polymer becomes hard, and cross-linked it means polymer becomes very much hard. So this is classification of homopolymer. Like this, the classification of copolymers. There are also 4 types. The one is the random, other is the alternate, and graft copolymer, very important, graft copolymer, and other one is the block copolymer. So what is the random? Random, it means monomers are joined together in random fashion. There is no arrangement. कभी भी A आ जाएगा, B हो जाएगा. तो this is the random position. There is no arrangement. It means there is a random position. So this is about the random. The again is the alternate because it is copolymer. A, B, again A, B, A and B. This is the alternate. Understand very carefully what is a graft copolymer. Graft copolymer, it means one monomer in the main chain and other monomer in the side chain. Always remember what is the graft copolymer. In the branched copolymer, in which one monomer in the main chain, other monomer in the side chain. So last is the block copolymer. It means block copolymer means one monomer and other monomer and again one monomer block the chain A and A. This is the block copolymer. What is the block copolymer? In which the linear polymer sequencing of blocks will take place, and it is blocked with again with the A. So A, B and again from blocked with the A. So this is the block copolymer. So this is all about the classification of polymer on the basis of structure. Always remember, it is very important topic for the classification. It is asked for 5 marks. So read carefully, learn carefully. Next video, classification of polymer on the basis of mode of synthesis, I will